Hi guys, so today's budget craft is making a treasure map. This is one that we absolutely love. So me and Beth do this for the kiddies and not so little kiddies, because as a family we actually really enjoy this one. So basically it's really simple, really quick, really easy, and it's generally the stuff you would have in the house anyway. So some paper and pens basically. For the treasure at the end, it can be literally, you don't have to have anything. It could just be the fact that you're having the fun of following a treasure map. We tend to do little things at the end, but it's usually something that would benefit us as a family, obviously, because we are about trying to save money and be on a budget. So what we tend to do is maybe have like a little package at the end that is sort of weighed out ingredients for baking, because again, it's something that we benefit from and everybody would enjoy doing that as a family. So we sometimes weigh out the ingredients for cakes, biscuits, just little treats like that, because again, it would also save you buying treats from the shop. Also, it gives you that extra family bit of time and bonding, because, well, you're in the kitchen and cooking, and who doesn't love food? But anyway, if you've got any other ideas and suggestions, put them in the comments and share it with everybody, because like I've said before, we would like to build this up as a community rather than just a channel, and we'd like to share and throw around ideas. As you can see with the treasure map, it's really easy. We try and think of an area that we know well. It could be in your home. I've actually picked on ours. As you can see, it'll be the local park. So obviously I've thinking about the equipment that's on the park, but exaggerated it. So you'll see on there, like, I've made a spider web. Obviously it's not a spider web at the park. It's a rope climb that I've just designed it as a spider web. There's also a climbing frame that's made into like a dinosaur on the map, but it's actually just a slide. It's got monkey bars on it, and a climb up section at the front. It's just like that. So if you was doing it around the house, it could be, for instance, if you was having the stairs, you could have it like a mountain. You're climbing up the mountain, or if you've got a rug in your lounge, for instance, it could be like a pit of snakes. It really is much about just using your imagination to teach the little ones to use their imagination too, but it also is just a bit of fun, and it brings you together. And it's just the kids absolutely love it. And again, I say it's good for little kids, but also not so little kids, because our bigger kids absolutely love this stuff as well. Because me and Beth, we just goof around with the kids as well, and I think it just reminds them that it's okay to have fun no matter how old you are. But again, it's a really cheap one. It costs you next to nothing, because generally you would have pens and paper at home. You can kind of jazz it up as you wish. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoy this one. If you've got any ideas of things that you would do differently, or if you've got ideas of what could be the treasure at the end, if you could try and keep it as in something that would benefit you all as well as a family, rather than going out and buying just treats. Because that is what we're about here. We're about families for low income and budgets, whereas obviously if you're baking and things, that's something for everybody to enjoy. And generally baking is cheaper than going out and buying treats. But yeah, if you've got any ideas to add to this, if you've got any comments, whether you like it or not, please pop it in the comments. And if this was any use to you or helped you, please subscribe. We have got plenty more coming. We've also got meals coming, meal ideas, and stuff for couples as well. We've got some good ideas for couples if you're lucky enough to get a date night. But yeah, please click like and subscribe if this was any good to you. And we'll hope to see you soon in the next video. Thanks.